Yep, hi all. Valley of Death on the DeLorean. So yeah, just thought I'd well, didn't take it lightly. Of course, I wanted to replace the distributor cap and the leads, rotor arm, and then whilst I was at it, obviously various people suggested then replacing the 6 seals underneath the inlet manifold, which are these ones here. So those are black seals there. I'm guessing sort of pushed in. So I thought I'd do that. So yeah, luckily actually all this came off fine, apart from one bolt which snapped here. So it's only held on by 2 bolts either side, and obviously the fourth one. These all came undone easy peasy. This one here just snapped straight off. So yeah, that's another potentially pain in the arse job to do that on there is, but yeah, I'll do that. That's cool. Yeah, this is some of the dirt. So you can sort of, I've actually just started hoovering it, and I thought, you know what, I might as well do a video. So yeah, you can sort of see that all the dirt and crap gets sort of like down in the gaps down here. There's all sorts of dirt in there. I mean, when I sort of cleaned it out best I could through that gap without taking the inlet manifold off, managed to get all the leaves and that type of stuff off. But you can see there's obviously a lot more dirt, like right, and that's actually, you can see dirt there, but it's actually really deep. So that goes down potentially as far as that one, which is quite a few inches into the engine. So yeah, so I can get all that crap out. Otherwise, I think it's not looking too bad. And I'll give it a good old clean up. I'll probably actually even things like remove this switch here as well. Just remove it, just check it, you know, put it back on again whilst I'm here. All this sort of vacuum items here, I might as well just double check whilst I'm at it. I'm aware that obviously fluid will probably piss out when I do this, but as is a part, might as well look at it. Then of course, once I've cleaned all this up, I'll obviously put rags inside the holes to stop any crap getting in there. But to be honest with you, for now, I'm not going to touch the engine. I'm just going to get in there and clean out as much as rubbish as I can, you know, and then give it a good old clean, give it a bit of a wipe round, all that sort of stuff, get it looking really nice and tasty in there, and say just double check any wires I need to whilst I'm in there. So this is the pipe here for the warm-up device here. So that comes down, that bolts to the middle of the inlet manifold, which is just here. So there's a pipe, there's a seal there again that comes with the kit from DeLorean Go, so as well as the 6 rubber ones. We've also got the pipe of pain, which is this piece here, which goes into the side there. So again, I've got the new style, and I think I've even ordered the old style one as well to go into there. So I'll gently take this out once the new gear arrives, and then either use the new style or the old style to see how it fits, see what fits tightest, and I'll use whatever that is. So that's all looking good. Comes with